Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Pet Treater unboxing for July. This is the cat pack. And I hear stuff rattling around in here. Must be this. We got, let's see, there are 6 little cat toy balls. They rattle, make a lot of noise. Cats always love those. Do you think Nino liked those?
Yeah.
Yeah, Jackson's here with me, only because he's interested to see what sticker came in the bag this month. The next item is Colorama, Cats and Kittens. These are 10 postcards that you can color. That's kind of cool. Found the sticker. That's neat.
The stickers I like.
Yeah, the stickers. He likes collecting the stickers. You get one every month. They're normally funny or cute. This one says Meowica, which is appropriate because it was just the 4th of July, so we have a little patriotic cat. Very cute. What else did we get? Shake it down. We have, from the field, earth-friendly pet products, Sammy's Saturn. It's like there's a rope that connects to like a cork ball, and it's surrounded in catnip. It says it's a special herbal blend, a mix of our fresh all-natural catnip and potent valerian roots. Made in Washington. That's kind of cool. Of course, cats always love catnip, so that's something they will enjoy. And then we always seem to get some kind of treats. So these are salmon recipe, soft and tasty baked bites. Real salmon is the first ingredient. No GMO ingredients. Cool. That's a pretty big bag too. And then we always do get a little advertisement from Pet Treater. If you tag them on social media, they will include an extra little surprise in your bag next month. So that is what we got. If you guys want to sign up, they do have ones for dogs as well. If you're a dog person, you don't have a cat, that's fine. I'll leave all the information below and you could sign up. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.